Alright everybody, what's going on? Thank y'all for checking in. Today I'm reviewing the Air Jordan Retro 3 Unite. Actually, it's going to be a comparison video. As you can see, the Air compared to the Shy pair. So we're going to start off with the boxes. So with the Air pair, you have Air Jordan 3 Retro SE, Fire Red, Red Cement Gray, retail $200. For the Shy pair, Air Jordan 3 Retro U, Varsity Red. So obviously that's a different colorway, or so they say. Let's get into the shoe. So on the right, you got the Shy, and on the left, you got the regular Nike Air pair. Let's just compare these reds. Nike Air, Shy. Now the Nike Air does look a little bit brighter. I'm not sure if it is, but I really don't know. I can't really tell. Other than that, the only difference I noticed, I'm not sure if this is consistent throughout, but on the Shy pair, the heel tab is rounded, and on the Nike Air pair, it's kind of squared off, if you can tell. You see? Rounded, squared up. And the paint on this is, honestly, it's brush strokes, blemishes all over it. Brush strokes, more blemishes. So yeah. And on the Nike Shy pair, you have a white insole that says Shy, and on the regular Unite Nike Air with a red insole. So the Shy pair is gonna be my personal pair. I mean, who wouldn't want something different? This is like the Kilroy, when the Kilroy 9 had the 4 on the back. The Olympic 7s had the 9 on the back. This is less popular than those, but the double nickel 4510s, they had the 45 on the side right there on the 10s, the double nickels. But yeah, the Shy pair is gonna be my personal, just to have something different. Who wouldn't want something different? That's just like, nobody would pick a freaking Jumpman over a Nike Air. At least I wouldn't. And yeah, for the box, 3/4 red, 1/4 elephant print cement, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, for my personal Nike Shy pair, I will have a review coming soon. My filming location is actually shut down due to the coronavirus, so I might just have to shoot it in here. I prefer not to, but yeah. Let me know which one y'all rocking with. Let me know which one y'all comp. If y'all spotted any differences, let me know. I'm gonna do a gray lace swap with these. Have them looking clean, and they also did come with red laces, white laces, and black laces. So yeah, if y'all rocked with the video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you comment anything, I will comment back. Last minute. I'm in my son's freaking playroom right now. But yeah, just let me know what y'all think, man. A lot of people sleep on these, man. I'm telling you. Don't sleep. Don't do it. Got my Thunder 14s on right now. So I got it all sticky here. But yeah, man. I thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for checking out my video. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like. All right, I'm out.